Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island, and you can visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2020 F-150 LARIAT in rapid red. It has black leather interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and a 5.5-foot box, a 3.5-liter V6 engine, and it's a 4x4. It also has the FX4 off-road package, which includes skid plates, the trailer tow package, which has an integrated trailer brake controller, the technology package, which includes a 360 camera, and as well the sport package, which gives you the center console. It's really easy to get into this truck. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and you can book that online at islandford.ca. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat also has memory, and it's powered with lumbar. You have your electronic parking brake, power pedals, lighting control, LED, side view mirror spotlights. The steering wheel can tilt and telescope, and it's powered. With the help of your power deployed running boards and grab handle, it's easy to get in. On the face of the steering wheel is your dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, and sync voice activated system. And this is a push start, so my foot's on the brake, keys in the pocket, and we're going to push the engine start button. On your dash, any important messages will appear, and you also have a menu that you can toggle through. So we're just going to go in here. My view, trip fuel, truck info, towing, off-road, settings, and these all have sub-menus. In the center, you're seeing the B&O badging for your audio system, and there's a nice little bin. You also have hill descent, traction control, hazard lights. You've got a 360 camera, so you can see the different views as you press. And as well, when you put the vehicle in reverse, this is where you're going to see your backup camera view. And then you have your auto stop start, and then you can touch on audio. You go into your sources, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth. You have your climate. You're going to see your dual climate control show up since digitally displayed there, in your AC as well as your rear defrost. And you have your navigation, so the map will appear. And then you can go into settings and slide through for different options, automatic updates, Wi-Fi, Ford Pass Connect, and so forth. And you have your volume and tuner, and down below there's your dual climate control, so you can control it on the screen or you can control it there. You have heated and cooled seats. There's your fan. And you also have AC and max AC, as well as front and rear defrost. Off to the side is 4x4 locking differential, pro trailer backup, and integrated trailer brake controller. In the center there's a cubby with a couple of USB outlets, and you just press and it'll close right up. And you have an automatic shifter that has the plus and minus, and then you have the drive mode. So when you press that, you'll see it appear normal, tow haul, snow wet, eco, sport, and back around again. And that was me just pushing that, and that appears on your dashboard there. You have your lane keeping, park assist, couple of cup holders, the rings in the bottom, that's your ambient lighting. And then you open up the armrest, there's a little bin, take that out, lots of room down below, plus a 12 volt. Off to the side is a 12 volt and a 110, and you have a locking glove compartment. Up above, auto dimming rear view mirror, lighting controls, sunglass holder. There's a power sliding window in the back, and that's what that's for. And you have a twin panel moonroof, so we just press that and it'll open it right up for you. And you also have a power button for the screen. There's a grab handle in the body, and that just makes it easier to get in. 20-inch wheels, mud flaps, power deployed running boards, body colored door handle with intelligent access, and that means when the fob's in close proximity you can lock and unlock the doors. Keyless entry keypad, driver's side capless, easy fuel gas filler. The body colored handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. Your backup cameras just below that handle as well. You have backup sensors on your bumper, 4 and 7 pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. And then when you want to open up that tailgate, you just have to double click your fob. It power releases it for you. Got this nice line box with tie downs in all 4 corners, as well as box link. And you also have a tailgate step, and that just makes it easier to get in. And then when you're ready, close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have remote start and speaker in the door, as well as power windows. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. You can easily pull the tab, and then the seat goes right up, and you have more room on the floor. And then to bring it down, simply pull the tab again. You have anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats. In the center is an armrest, and when you press the center here, you get a couple of cup holders. On the floor, all-weather mats as well as carpeted mats. Slim pockets on the front seat. In the center, a couple of cup holders, 12 volt, 110, and USB outlets. Air vents on each side. And you're seeing those little red seats. That's the heated seat control for back here. You have a grab handle in the body, hooks and lighting, that panoramic view, and in the back, access to a power sliding window. Colored bumper, mud flaps, 5.5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, heated and powered side view mirrors with blind spot information system, LED headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.